Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to turn off background apps in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type settings. One click here, select privacy, one click, and in the right side select background apps and turn off the backgrounds. If you no need this app, turn off. If you no need this app run is in background, turn off. And you disable according to your situation. In this case, Snip and Sketch, I don't use this app. And disable your phone, Xbox Game Bar, Xbox Console Companion. These apps consuming very high hardware and resource of the system. I recommendly turn off these apps for max performance. And to apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu and select restart, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.